All right, today I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple two-step recipe with only 5 ingredients, but tastes amazing. It feels like it tastes like it's been cooking all day. It's a wild rice and mushroom soup. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, first you can get some oil nice and hot in here. See, mine's getting pretty darn hot. I had it turned up too high. But then you can go ahead and saute up some mushrooms. You can use whatever mushrooms you want. Portobello works really good. These ones are just good old white mushrooms. Put them in there. Let them saute up for a few minutes before going on to the next step. All right, after you saute them up and they get nice and tender, you see they're starting to darken. Oof. Then you go ahead and start adding the rest of the ingredients. Could be some beef broth. Woo! Listen to that. Just to keep it calm down a bit. I had it up too high at first. So I'm doing about 32 ounces here. I'd say it's probably good for a few servings. All right, and then I'll have to have my lovely assistant help me if she wants to. Come over here. She's gonna pour in about 2 cups of heavy cream. All right, and the same thing, I'm going to fill up this heavy cream. The one I just use heavy cream, I'm gonna put about a cup and a half of water as well. Figured I might as well just use the same thingy. And I'll put 1 bag. I'm using our box of long and wild rice mix, just because it has nice seasonings with it and everything, and it's cheap and easy to use. Do you want to add this one in?
Yes, so.
Our lovely assistant will add the second box in. All right. Then I will open up these 2 seasoning packets that come with it. Sure I will. Man, if only I was strong. Holy cowboys. All right, there we go. Don't mind my weakness. Maybe I'll just do 1 seasoning pack. Seems like a lot of seasoning right there. Do that 1 seasoning pack. I'm not used to that much seasoning being in there. Mix it all up. We'll go ahead and let that cook for, we'll bring it to boil and let it simmer for about 10, 20 minutes. I'll say 20 minutes just because I'm putting a lot in here. So I'll come back to you when mine's all done and ready to go. All right, and here we are. I may need to make a correction to what I said earlier. Earlier I said 10 to 20 minutes. I don't know why I said that. It just popped in my head. It's 20 to 30 minutes. Because I forgot the wild rice takes longer to cook than, like I'm thinking noodles and stuff. See, it looks nice and yummy. Let's go ahead and put it in a bowl here. If you don't like the creaminess of it, you can add more heavy cream. We got some milk or some half and half or something. I like it the way it is. Let's look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. There's a nice, yummy bowl of this mushroom soup with wild rice. And there you have it. And there you go. Like I said, nice and simple, only 2 steps, 5 ingredients. Tastes so good and creamy. You're gonna absolutely love it, and everyone who tries is gonna absolutely love it. If you like this recipe, please put in the comments down below if you liked it or not. If you ever made something like this and you added or subtracted different ingredients, let me know in the comments down below, so maybe I can try it sometime. If you have other ideas for recipes you want me to try, or you have questions about things that you don't know how to cook, like I've had people ask me about tofu before, so I've done some tofu recipes. Let me know in the comments down below, and while you're down there, go ahead and hit the little thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post every week, posting recipes or food-related videos for everyone to enjoy. All right, see you around.